In this section, we're going to be looking for opposing viewpoints, and I would suggest starting with CQ Researcher. And the easiest thing to do here is just do a quick search on your topic. I'm going to go ahead and type in cars here and see what I can find. Again, with most topics, there's a whole range of what's available. I'm not going to find anything on car sharing, but if I pull up this one on the auto industry's future and click on Pro-Con, you'll find right there an opposing viewpoint on a topic that may be related to what you're working on. Google is another good source for Pro-Con information. You can just go in and type in your topic, like car sharing, and see what you get. There'll probably be a lot of stuff. If you're having a hard time finding opposing viewpoints, you might want to just type in your search terms and then add the term opposition or con or a variety of things, and you can see what you get. And in my example, I found a range of stuff about the opposition to car sharing, such as this community's opposition based on zoning changes for car sharing. You might also have luck in a database like Academic Search Premier finding newspaper and magazine articles. So again, just type in your search term and click search, and you'll see the results that are available. Some good sources here. Here's an example of an excellent resource, an article from a magazine on how car sharing is taking over in college campuses. Now, just like Google, if you're having a hard time finding opposing viewpoints for your topic, you could go in this case, it's probably a better idea to type in the term editorial to see what's available. In my case, I have no results, but with your topic, you might have better luck. If, for example, you were doing a persuasive speech on the topic of hunting, you might have a lot of luck. Pretty controversial topic. Just make sure when you look over at the subject headings that you're looking for your topic, in this case hunting and not job hunting. And finally, there's some great print resources, such as the Opposing Viewpoints series. To find this, the easiest way is just to follow the link in the guide under Great Print Sources, and this will bring you into the library catalog. And you can scroll through these. There are almost 600 of them. But I think an easier way to do it is just to go up to the top into the search bar and type in your search. Again, I can't find much on car sharing, but with a hunting topic, I type this in, and you'd be surprised at what's available. In this case, for hunting, there are actually 6 volumes available on related topics. And in this case, I will pick hunting. And if I scroll down, it will show you the range of what's available, both pro and con, on the topic.